Dr. Sunil Kumar. I will today discuss the techniques of environmental scanning. Environmental scanning based on ETOP. ETOP means Environmental Threat and Opportunity Profile Analysis. ETOP is considered as a useful device that facilitates an assessment of information related to the environment and also in determine the relative significance of external environment. Threats and opportunities to systematically evaluate environmental scanning by dividing the environment into different sections. The ETOP analysis help in analyzing its impact on the organization. The analysis is based on threat and opportunity in the environment. ETOP step involved in the preparation of ETOP, dividing the environment into different sectors, analyzing the impact of each sectors on the organization, subdividing each environmental factors into sub-factors for a comprehensive ETOP, analyzing the impact of each sub-factors on the organization in the form of a statement, preparing a summary to show the major factors for the sake of simplicity. Quick environmental scanning techniques analysis, QUEST, QUEST. The process of environmental scanning starts with the observation of the organization's event and trends by strategies. After observation, important issues that may impact the organization are considered using environmental appraisal. A report is created by making a summary of all these issues and their impact. In the final steps, planners who are responsible for deciding the feasibility of the proposed strategy review reports. SWOT analysis also is an analysis scanning tools. SWOT analysis stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats analysis of a business environment. Strength and weaknesses or an organization's internal factors, while threat and opportunities are considered as external factors. So the process of SWOT analysis include the systematic analysis of these factors to determine an effective marketing strategy. It is a tool that is used by organization for auditing purpose to find its different key problems and issues. Environment analysis scanning. Different factors are considered as analyzing the internal environment of an organization, like the structure of the organization, physical location, the operational capacity and efficiency of the organization, market share, financial resources, skill and expertise of the employees, etc. The strength of any organization is related to its core competencies, that is efficient resources of technologies or skill or advantage over its competitors. For example, the marketing expertise of a firm can be its strength. Apart from this, an organization strength can be strong customer relationship, market leader in its product or services, sound market image and reputations, smooth cash flows. When we talk about weakness, weakness or limitation of an organization, it's related to the scarcity of its resource or skill set of stock or capabilities that creates an adverse effect on its performance. For example, limited cash flow and high cost are considered as a financial weakness of the organization. Similarly, other weaknesses can be measured poor product quality, low productivity, unrecognized brand name, or poor brand image. When we talk about environment analysis or scanning external environment analysis, Different factors that are considered while scanning the external environment of the organization, like competitors, customers, suppliers, technologies, social and economical factors, political and legal issues, market trends. Opportunities of the organization's environment is considered as its most favorable situation. These are the circumstances that are external of the businesses and can become an advance to the organization. For example, different opportunities for a firm can be uh, social media marketing, merger and acquisitions, tapping new market, expansion and international market, new product development. Threat, if we talk about threats of an organization or current or future unfavorable situation that may occur in its external environment. For example, few major threats for firm. I mentioned it. A new competitor in the market, the slow growth of the market, changing customer preferences, increase in the bargaining power of consumer, change in regulation or major technical changes. Uh, a few past PEST analysis I mentioned in my slide. Political, economical, social and technological. Uh, Political, legal factors, different factors like changes in tax policy, ability of raw material, etc., creates a direct effect on a business. So organizations are required to constantly monitor tax related policies change, and increase in tax may increase the heavy financial burden on them. Similarly, different laws like Consumer Protection Act also play an important role in an organization's operation. Effectiveness as it important able to the act. More examples can be foreign trade policy, political changes, regulations in competition, trade restrictions, etc. Also consider as a different political legal factors that exist in external business environment. Economical factors, the different economical factors like the unemployment rate, inflation, cost of labor, economic trend, disposable income of consumers, monetary policies, etc., play an important role in environmental scaling. For example, in the case of high unemployment, a company may decrease the prices of its product or services, and in opposite situation, that is when the unemployment rate is low, then prices can be high. This happens because if more customers are unemployed, then by lowering the prices, an organization can attract them. Social or cultural factors, attitude, trends, and behavior aspects of society also create an impact on functioning of the organization. Studying and understanding the lifestyle of consumer is very much required to target the right audience and to offer the right product or services based on their preferences. For example, issues and policies related to the environment like pollution control are also being considered by organization to ensure that it operates in an organizational make and friendly environment friendly or atmosphere, taking care of the cultural aspects of different countries while you doing business at the international level is also an important factor.